Abuti, say hello to the children.
Sanibona bantwana.
What are we learning today?
Ngiyakwazi ukuhamba.
Oh, we're going to learn how to say I can do something in isiZulu. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
It's very easy. You just take the verbs like ukuhamba, ukugijima, and ukuhlala and add ngiyakwazi in front of them.
Sawubona Abuti.
Sawubona sisi.
Ngiyakwazi ukuxhuma.
Ngiyakwazi ukucula.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. The verb ukukwazi means to know. So when we say ngiyakwazi, we're actually saying I know how to do something. But we can also use this to say I can do something. So ngiyakwazi ukuhamba means I know how to walk or I can walk. Now let's see how all our friends use this sentence.
Sawubona. Ngiyakwazi ukudansa. Ngiyakwazi ukudlala.
Ngiyakwazi ukuhamba.
Ngiyakwazi ukugijima.
Ngiyakwazi ukuhlala.
Ngiyakwazi ukuyima.
And now you know how to say I can do something in isiZulu. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.